In this video, how to join Windows Insider program on Windows. The first step is sign up into Windows Insider program. To register, visit the Insider program registration site. You will need to sign in using a Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one. Select the checkbox and click Register Now. You are now registered in the Windows Insider program. Microsoft requires you to send optional diagnostic data to join the Insider program. Click on Get Started button, then click on Link an Account button. Sign in with the same account you used to register for the Windows Insider program. Select any channel based on your requirements. The Release Preview channel provides advanced quality updates and key features of the upcoming Windows version, making it the most stable channel for insiders. The Beta channel is designed for early adopters and IT professionals who need more reliable updates, but still want to test features for an upcoming Windows release. The Dev channel delivers the latest work-in-progress code directly from engineers, ideal for highly technical users who want to see features first but can tolerate significant bugs and instability. The Canary channel is the most experimental channel, offering hot-off-the-presses builds that are highly unstable and may not match any specific future release. For example, I will select the Release Preview channel to get the Windows 11 25H2. Review the agreement and then restart the device. You will see that your system is enrolled in the Windows Insider program and connected to the Update channel you selected. Go back to Windows Update and check for updates. Insider updates will download and install like normal updates. If you decide to leave the Windows Insider program, you can select Stop Getting Preview Builds. Depending on your channel and build, you can opt out at the next production release, or you may need to reinstall Windows to move back immediately. Turn this on to stop getting preview builds when the next major release of Windows launches to the public. Until then, your device will continue to get Insider builds to keep it secure. You'll keep all your apps, drivers, and settings even after you stop getting preview builds. If you've enrolled to the Canary channel and want to go back to a more stable channel, you need to do a clean install because it is not supported. In the Dev channel, You can see all more stable channel are grayed out and cannot be switched to. But it may be possible to switch a device from the dev channel to another channel. The first step is determine the current build. Next, determine what is the currently flighting build in the desired channel by checking Flight Hub. If your current build number is equal to or lower than the build number in the channel you want to move to, you can switch without clean install. As you can see, the current build number is higher than the build number in the stable channels. The closest build is in the release preview channel. So, you need to wait to be able to switch to more stable channel or do a clean install if you want to go back immediately. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.